In terms of working with test pots, the advice seems to be don't apply the test pot to the wall. So what do? Get a bit of card, bit of plasterboard?
So if you've got an offcut of the plasterboard,
Yep.
you can use that. Just make sure you prime it first. Again, otherwise you can have a nicely primed wall that's one porosity, and you can have the jib board that's different, and the colour's going to look different.
Yep.
Or a piece of card. Card's easy, you can get it from the local colour shop, and you can just move it around. You can bend it around the corners and corners of the room and under windows, opposite windows.
And it's important that people do move their colour selections around, because where there's lots of light, it might be different to a dark corner, different against the ceiling.
There's some colours that will reflect differently of what's in the room or around the room, so it might look green in one corner and orange in another.
Yes.
So it's very important to check before you paint everything.
And rather than paint it in all of those corners, so stay away from that. The efficient way is apply your test pot to the card or to a piece of primed plasterboard.
Definitely, yeah.
Cool.